Hello students of Standard 5. Today we are going to learn Chapter 5, Poem Limericks Are Fun. It's a poem, it is a funny, very humorous fun poem it is. So it is telling limericks are fun. So, do you like the humorous? Do you like some funny jokes and play or make others to laugh or make them to tease them? Do you like? Or do some funny thing where people enjoy and can laugh and forget their tension? Do you? See, here is a poem which speaks about so funny. This poem speaks about lots of fun about an old man of Peru. He says, so many that his beard is growing and birds are making nest in his beard. Okay? So now here one poem is there, you have to complete. See, in your book first page only is there. I wrote it on the blackboard. See, look at, can you see? So he's telling, there was a boy named Jai. There was a boy whose name was Jai. Now can you write here something? Yeah? So, if anybody, you can tell me. You can write me. Now, I am completing this sentence. There was a boy named Jai who loved to run and play. Is it fitting? Huh? This now I have written it. Huh? Is it clear to you? Now here is also one empty space. He went out with bat and ball. See, the first two lines is same. Third one is he went out with bat and ball, but sadly had a bit of a fall. So he's here, see, the last line is rhyming words, last word. Jai, play, ball, fall. So now third line and fourth line, what will you say? But was back again the next day. Now you see here, he's telling there was a boy named Jai. So rhyming that we have to complete the sentence, who loved to run and play. He went out with bat and ball, but sadly had a bit of a fall, but was back again the next day. And with the matching with that, and He stood and said, he was okay. So is it clear? Is it rhyming now? In your book you can check. These are the 3 lines I have completed, added it. This you have. So see, with the end is always rhyming. J, play, ball, fall, day, okay. Is clear to you? See here, this is a small poem is given that Joy was a boy. His name was Jay and he loved to play, run and play like you enjoy. He went out to the playground with bat and ball, but sadly that he had a fall. And he was back again next day, that fall and all cured. And he said that I am okay, no problem. Is clear to you? This is a funny poem. Before starting the poem, he writes about, the poet writes some little different way, funny. We will see that this writer is Edward Lear. Edward Lear. He has written funny poems and he enjoys writing especially for the children who can have some fun and laugh. Children, they play in the playground, run, push each other. They don't bother who is sidewise. They just run and fall. But a minute they are all right. They don't sit and cry for a long time. They are so energetic that they forget their pain and again they are back to the play. So here also telling, Jay, though he had a fall and he had some pain, but still next day he came back to the playground and he said that he is okay. You also do know, you fall from cycle, you fall football ground, you fall in basketball, volleyball ground, and next day you are to play. Even little pain is there, you run to play, you tell mama I am all right, you tell your teacher you are all right and you play and you really feel better. But where elders, they have little fall, they have little pain, they can't lift their hands, they can't move, they can't do it. But children are very energetic. They run around without any break. They enjoy playing. If you tell them whole day no class and play, they will be most happy. They don't worry about their career. Parents and teachers, they worry for children, but children like to play and enjoy. But that likeness is not so good. You should have for everything timing. You should have some time to play. Game is very much important for our health, our physical body, but still education is important for your career, for your future. Play you can't do for any profitable till the end. Certain things, if you take up one like cricket, football, and you go through best, if you are best in that, you can go join the game team. But if you are not, then simply should not waste your time. But whatever you do, but you need to study at least till inter. Higher secondary education is compulsory for anything. After that, you can take your interest wherever you like, whatever way you like. So games are something for your side, for your health and for things. But education is for your career building. To look after after yourself, your family, you need to build your career. So children, you should not forget that you have to study well. Okay? Okay, see you in the next class.